Ito yung morning view. My son. The mist. Good morning guys! Another day, another vlog. So, pababa na kami for our breakfast, me and Clyde. Nakakulot na and all. Tonight is our flight pala going back to Regina. Ang flight namin dito, Toronto time is 11 something. Ayan, naka-ready na rin si Clyde. All set up guys. Yung mga bags namin nandun na and all. So, mag-shoes na lang siya. Ito yung ginawa namin kahapon para makita namin yung napakagandang view. Talagang specifically pinili talaga to ng pinsan ko guys. O, 7th floor pa yung pinili niya para parang level lang talaga. Sabi ko nga parang maganda sana kung sa top floor, pero no, mas ma-appreciate mo pala pagka malapit ka. So, thank you my cousin sa pagpili mo sa aming napakagandang room. I don't even know kung makakabalik ako dito ng ganito na malapit dito sa falls. Ayan guys. So, eto na yung get up ko. Me and Clyde is gonna go to the breakfast lounge kasi hanggang 10:30 lang yun. Kakain kami. We will meet my cousin. Tapos siya din yung maghahatid sa amin sa airport. So, thank you very much my cousin talaga sa pag-entertain sa amin or host sa amin while we are in Niagara. Super worth it. Mababait talaga guys lahat ng family member ko dito. I'm not saying na hindi mababait yung mother side ko. Super mababait yon, favorite. But, I love my father's side too. So, yan guys. Magpipicture lang yung picture soccer kasi you know me, right? And ayan, machi-machi kami ng anak ko. Nak, can you stand up, Nak? Can we show them, Nak? Look. Oh, di ba? From head to toe. So ito guys, yung lobby nila. Ito naman yung sa breakfast lounge nila. Breakfast buffet guys dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron sila. But let's see. Yan, hard-boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, diced potatoes, chicken sausage, pork sausage, and bacon. And it's all like that. Cereals lang doon. Yung juices are there. Guys, ito yung food ko, May parfait ako dyan. Pancakes and eggs and all. And coffee. And with a nice view, diba?
Yeah, which means it's included.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's a good thing.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Less money, eh?
Thanks.
Everything is okay, love?
Yep, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, breakfast is done. Breakfast is done. Hi guys, nagpipicture-picture lang kami ni Clydong. Yan yung pinagstayan naming hotel. Marriott din siya. Kasama nung isang Marriott doon. Hey guys, naglalakad lang kami ni Clyde. Ayan, dito sa parang downtown nila. IHOP Hotel na yan, IHOP Hotel. Nakatingin yung mga yung mga... Hey guys, naglalakad lang kami ni Clyde dito sa downtown nila. So, ayan so nice pala. Woo! Sabi ni ate, she can come get us anytime. Pero, sabi ko kay Clyde, parang maganda mag-explore. Yan, kami ng anak ko. Ito yung view. Maybe later mapakita ko kayo sa mas better view.
There you go.
Thank you so much. Do we have to show it every time?
Yes.
Okay. Baka makuha na.
Yeah.
It might fly. Thank you so much. So, mag-i-incline railway kami para makapunta kami sa baba ni Clyde for more pictures. You wanna go down? You wanna go, sit down? Hi, Clyde. So, ito yung incline. Yan o. Ito yung incline na pinipicturean ko kahapon. True. Nice. This is so cool. We don't have to like walk for long. And I can finally picture. Ooh. That's my baby. My baby, Lakay. Oh, guys, dito na naman kami sa my Table Rock. Tree? See? See? Hi, Clyde. Oh, we're back. Now we can finally picture. Hey, guys! Wait lang. Ayusin ko kayo. Yan yung view namin ni Clyde. Woo! Woo! This is so cool. Super lapit namin. Nandoon naman yung bridge. Hey. Super lapit namin. Tapos yung hotel namin nandun sa taas. Kasi nakikita talaga namin to. And guys, super nice. Lalapit kami konti doon sa may sa may bridge nila. Ayan yung anak ko. Super lapit guys, so nice. Ayun may boating naman sila doon. No street access, it says?
Yeah.
There.
No, it says no pedestrian.
No pedestrian. Hey.
You vlog?
I am vlog. See? This is kind of cool. This way is hard. For people who didn't shower like me. Now is the time. It's so misty. Dito kami guys sa souvenir shop ni Clyde. Naghahanap lang ako ng pin na Niagara. Pero parang wala akong makitang pins guys. Pins. Pero nadaanan ko na siguro. So, okay guys, our view for the last time bago kami mag-check out ng anak ko. Bye Niagara, or whatever. Bye Niagara. We really enjoyed being here. We will surely come back. Baka matanda na to pagbalik namin. Sana gusto pang sumama sa amin. Ayan guys, so napakaganda. So it's such a great experience na nandito kami sa Niagara. We will head down na kasi mag-check out na ako para masundo kami ng ate ko. And thank you so much ate na experience namin tong ganitong view. And ganito kalapit sa sa lahat. Oh my gosh. I highly suggest you guys kung magsistay kayo kahit one night lang, super lapit sa lahat. Kasi ayan guys, mapapasyalan nyo lahat kung malapit kayo dito. Super nice talaga ng pinsan ko. So we're gonna head down na guys kasi we only have 10 minutes to like check out. And I'll check back later. Bye guys. Guys, nasa cake shop kami. Akala ko kasi ngayon yung birthday ni Clyde. Pero sabi niya sa akin kahapon, yung asawa ko, hindi ngayon. Sabi niya, bukas pa, adik ka, 20 ngayon. May ate. Happy birthday! Happy dear Clyde! Happy birthday to you! Tito Derek. Okay.
Oh, you pick who's the best. I didn't really hear it.
Isaiah can have it.
Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, look at that.
Zay.
You're so cute. Happy birthday, Clyde. Say thank you to your tito. Tito and tita.
You're welcome.
Okay, cut the cake, anak. Cut the cake.
Maybe it isn't okay.
With like half? Or
Just a slice. Triangular. I think Zay Zay likes some too.
do you want some?
Not a lot though.
You want cake? No?
What's this?
Okay? This is a video, Zay Zay. Nice. Clarky, look. They're playing Beyblades. Look at Kuya Zaya.
Call them. Oh, they're at school.
Yeah, he had a lot of Beyblades.
I went.
Oh,
See,
Yeah,
I was
they're
still
at school.
spinning.
I'm still spinning.
I think Clark
Should we
might
swing
have
and play with them?
5 or 6 only.
For one more.
Zay Zay had a lot of.
One. I heard you.
This
Can you
right
watch
here.
out?
No, man.
My little ones will be so jealous to like see them like this. My Isaiah boy.
Okay, bro.
Oh, this is my sweet boy. Isaiah. Isaiah,
In
what?
it.
What's your
Okay.
second name?
No, every time he does that wing thing.
I think it was I'm pretty
Angelis.
sure it was
Angelicus.
Angelicus or Hong.
Angelicus.
Nicer. Yeah.
And my third name is Hong, I'm pretty sure.
Yep.
Yeah. Because unlike
Hey guys, tambay lang kami dito kila ate. Tapos mamaya-maya, lalabas na naman kami. Tapos flight namin tonight at 9. Ito yung place nila ate. Yan. Ito yung backyard nila. Ito guys yung area nila. Hi babies! Naglalaro sila. Dito yung place nila ate. Ito yung car na ginamit namin at saka drive ko. Let's take a video, baby. This is my favorite baby, Isaiah. I love you, Isaiah. You're so sweet. Yan yung kila ate, 7450. Aalis na kami. Pupunta kami by the lake daw or what. So, dito yung area nila. Ganito yung tsura dito. Doon kila ate.
I think I see people stop here all the time.
Why don't you park there?
Guys, dito kami sa Clifton. Clifton Hill. We're going to Rainforest, Siler. Woo!
I was watching Mr. Beast.
Clifton before our flight back. Pag sa Baguio pa to, parang Session Road. Hey guys, cutie. Ayun yung pupuntahan namin, Rainforest. May mga movie land sila. And ganyan yung itsura dito, guys. There's the falls. Asa dyan Rainforest?
Really?
Rainforest Cafe. Go Clyde, go Clyde. This is for Siler, Rainforest Cafe. Tita said, you come here. So, eto yung kuha nila. So, souvenir shop, ate. Oh, pick up mga toys pala. Clyde, where are you now? Sabi mo, ate, bilisan niya. Si Clyde. Oh, may mga aquariums pa pala.
Tapos yun, animated sila yung mga ikaw.
Oh.
15 minutes, gumagalaw sila.
Ay, etong mga to. Ay, oo nga. Oh, kaya pala gusto niya dito. Cider. Oh, video for you. Oh, look at that. See?
African rainforests are home to parrots such as the African gray and others too numerous to mention.
Look. Oh my gosh, Clyde. So, eto nga.
Tell me the truth. Why are you lying?
So, this is the Rainforest Cafe. Teka, mag-slide picture na. Oh, snake. See, there's also these ones. Oh my gosh, may mga gumagalaw lahat yan. Oh, there's elephants. See, guys. This is the Rainforest Cafe. I wish Siler can see it. There's a huge elephant there. Aww. Yeah.
Get them both this, ma'am.
Para ano, hindi masyadong mahal.
Yeah.
Everybody loves
That's good.
animals. The
Can
African
buy them each
rainforests
anak
are
kasi
home to
they will
parrots,
ano.
such as the
Yan sila, walking. With videos. Look guys.
Don't lose your head when you
Are we
brush up
gonna cross?
against the kids.
My ate dropping us off. Guys, malapit na yung boarding namin. Medyo late kasi kami bumalik. Your bag. Oh shit. Papunta na kami guys sa gate namin. It's B23. Pag washroomin ko lang si Clyde. Go Clyde.
You hold, it's gonna,
Yep.
it's like tipping.
It's gonna tilt. Ayan guys, nakapasok na kami. We're going this way. Going to our flight. Sama ko naglalakad tong gwapo kong anak. Okay. Ito yung aisle na lagi kong namimiss. Which is good, Clyde, right? Kasi nauna tayo.
You know the side.
Yeah. It's the aisle going to the airplane. This is my favorite aisle. Going to the plane aisle. Diba? Ganda pag nakapila ka na. Kasi you don't have to like fight. Oops. They will check out our boarding passes and help her. My daddy loves. Naghihintay na siya sa amin. Ay, welcome to Regina finally. Dito na kami sa house. We're home guys, finally. Why, is that for your dad?
National.
No, sa kanya pala niya ibibigay. Akala ko sa akin. That's too sweet, Clyde. Kuya, miss little sister Zia. She might fall, anak. Hold on. Too sweet, Clyde. Ay, she's fallen. What's wrong with mom? Ayaw na niya sa daddy niya. Nandito na si mami. Ayaw na kay daddy. Nandito na kasi si mami.
Wala na tayo bili.
I can have your phone.
No!
Come, let's poop.
Tagumawa.
Mark, come. This is what I got. This is what Tita got for you guys. Pick one. So Kuya Sai can have the other one. This is Monkey from Rainforest, Clark. Oh, I know you're gonna pick that, Clark.
Rainforest
Yes, I said that.
Cafe. I
Tita.
haven't been there.
Yeah, Ate Elaine bought you that. See? Sai, Z. Popcorn. Popping candy. Hi guys, so we're back in Regina na and i-end ko na rin yung vlog dito. Thank you guys for watching our Niagara Falls video. Bye guys!